Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of Skims. I didn't really know what to expect when I had first ordered these because they were kind of on the expensive side. But the quality is superb. I was still guessing a little bit about some of the sizes and so forth, but overall, I think I did pretty good. So I just opened it. Let me show you what I got. So I started with a bra, and I am gonna have to return this one because this is actually their triangle bra. And as much as I would love to wear this, I think I could if I got the right size, but it's the triangle bra. I need more support on my side for sure on this, but the material in this is absolutely so soft. And so I am gonna try one of their other types of bras, just not this one. I ended up getting the black, but like I said, that's gonna be returned. Some of the other things that I got were, everybody was talking about her underwear. So I got a couple of different types of underwear. The smoothing thong, the high-waisted thong, is other one. Oh, and one was, I got two of the seamless rib thongs. So let me show you what they are. The smoothing, and I'm actually wearing one. I've been wearing one all day, and I actually really like it. It's just so soft. It's really soft. I didn't know how much stretch it was gonna have. So I ended up getting the 3X, and I probably should have gotten a 1 or a 2, to be honest. But that's okay. And you can return things if you keep the tags on them and try them on at home with your underwear and stuff underneath of them. So the band and everything is actually really it's smoothing, just like it states. It's smoothing. I got a black one and I got a brown one. This one is called Soot. And again, it's just so soft. But the band really acts as underwear, and then the thong itself. And it's not like a ribbon thong by any means. But especially after washing, I think this is gonna like fit perfectly. So I am gonna keep that. This is their high-waisted thong. And I got all of the same sizes for the most part, just because I didn't know what to expect. So this is just a different fabric a little bit. It's a little bit more mesh. And actually it looks a little longer. So I definitely think that that's gonna be way too big. But it's, again, the material is just so soft. And that one was also, this one was also like a 3X, and that's the color Soot as well. But it's got plenty of coverage up here in the front, which is one of the things that I really wanted. I didn't want like a little triangle like this, you know, to cover anything. So, now this one is the ribbed. And this one I think I'm gonna like the most actually, because I got this one. This is the color Soot, and this is the seamless rib thong, and it's in size 2X, 3X. And this actually I think is one that's really gonna fit. And again, the thong part of it isn't ribbon style. So it's, And it's got plenty of coverage back here to where it's not like a little triangle, which I really hate sometimes. This, I think, is more sexier, I guess, than just the ribbon kind. And they feel more comfortable too. These are really high quality. I ended up getting the body tape because I've never tried body tape before. And I think that, well, just with all the instruction and everything that they have on their website for this, I want to try it for lifting up the boobs a little, especially wearing spaghetti straps and so forth. So I did get that. It was on sale, so I did try that. And then they also had their masks on sale. And for as much as, you know, everybody's selling masks now, but for as much as everybody was gloating about how soft the material was on their underwear and stuff, I thought, hey, this is a no-brainer. And they had 4 of them for $25, I think. So I went ahead and got 4 of them. I got 2 brown and 2 black. And let's just see how big it is. It's really good size. And it's actually good coverage there too. Like right up against your cheek. You can see it there. So that's really cool too. And it's breathable. So it's not something that's, and it's washable. It's not something that is going to not allow you to breathe very well. Some of these masks are really horrible. So, and then, like I said, it's washable. And it's got like these little ribs on the side here. So it's kind of gathered. And of course, you'll have to take the tag out for that. But yeah, that's about it. Their underwear, I think, is about $26, $28 a piece, I believe. Maybe this actually tells me. But I am going to try one of their other bras. I tried the triangle one. It's just not doing it. Yeah, this does not say how much it was, but I got 3 different types of thongs, and I think I'm going to like all of them. So it should be really, oh, okay. So it says total amount for everything that I got. And I got, let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6 things plus the body tape for $200. So, not bad. And it shipped from Illinois. So, and then of course you could pay for shipping. But like I said, the triangle bra is just a little too small for my boobs. So I am going to return that for sure. But the fabric itself up against your skin is just amazing. So, wow, the sun just came out. It's been raining all day and the sun just came out for sunset. So I will cut this short, and thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate you all. Try out the Skims. I think that you will really like them. They continually sell out and they continually get things back in. So you have to keep watching it. Get on their mailing list to get the updates. And when they do sell out, they will email you and tell you when they're going to have a restock. So that's kind of cool too. And that's about it. Hats off to them, because this is one of the brands I think I'm really going to endorse, because like I said, it's just so soft up against your skin. So I will let you know when I try the new bra and when that comes in. They do have other bras that are for bigger cupped women. So I just didn't want to try anything with an underwire, so I thought I would try that, but it didn't work. That's okay. I'll send it back. So thanks again so much for watching. I appreciate you all, and I will talk to you soon. God bless.